Okay, greetings guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, brilliant trading tips and also forex emergency help. This is the system for those of you who don't know how to use this strategy. This system is only $100 guys, but for now, the 29th of January 2024 until the 5th of February 2024, you can get this for only $70. I want to show you how to use this system, the strategy. This is a new strategy guys. If you had this system from me last year, then it's still the same system but with a new strategy, and there are two more indicators that I have added. As you know, we first open H1 and then we open H4 of the same pair, and then we install the system. After we've installed the system, if you get this arrow on H1, do not rush to take that arrow. Wait until H4 gives you this arrow. I know if you are a beginner, you might panic and think H4 is delaying. No, H4 is the one that you should listen to, is the one that you should obey. Once you get this arrow here in H4, then you have the direction that we are going down. Then in H1, you will look for the small arrows that are going down so that you enter a down trade, meaning a sell trade. Or if you want to scalp, you can also take the up trades, meaning the buys. But I advise, if you are new, take only the signals in the direction of the trend. For instance, if you can see here, we have this red arrow. Okay, let me change this. We have this red arrow here. Can you see? We have this red arrow here, and this red arrow aligns with this white arrow in H4. So the first signal you will get now is in H4. You will get this white arrow in H4. Don't take it right away. Wait until you get the confirmation in H1, which is the small red arrow. And then if you get that one, you will what? You will sell. Meaning you sell from there, and then when you get this arrow, you can exit and wait for another signal, which is this one, and then you sell again. And then you sell again here. Can you see? This is your first sell, this is your second sell. Even here, when the big arrow appears, you can enter your sell here. You can enter your sell here. But the one that I am teaching you now, the strategy, is when you take the arrows in line with the trend. For instance, now look here what's going on. Can you see here what's going on? We have a white arrow appearing. You don't take that white arrow as a buy right away. As you can see, this is a good zone. This is a demand zone here. This is a demand zone, which is gonna be a good buy signal. It's gonna be a good buy signal. Here is the zone, but you don't take it right away. What do you wait for? You will wait for a green arrow to appear here. Once a green arrow appears, then you buy. You maximize your profits by using H4 and H1. Guys, this system is not for those who want to rush making profits, but if you want to scale up, you want to ride the trend for the longest time, then this is a system for you. For instance, look here. Okay, I can't see the whole picture. If you can see, you would have written the trend here for days, almost a week, if not weeks. For days, almost a week, if not weeks, because you would be getting your buys, or rather you would just ride the trend until you get the big arrow here. When you get this big arrow, you do not just take a sell, but you rather exit your buy and wait for a new signal. In all time frames, that's how you trade it, but my recommended time frames, it's H4 and H1, and you can trade any pair. Whatever is tradable in the forex market, you can trade it. Let us check GBP NZD. Can you see GBP NZD? It was a huge uptrend. Now look what happened. Let me do like this. Now look what happened. Let me do like this. You got this sell here. You don't take it right away because you will be faked. What you do is you wait for this one. Once you wait for this one, then this arrow is confirmed. Now whenever you see this white one in H4, wait for this red one in H1, and your arrow will, and your signal will be confirmed. Once it is confirmed, you ride the trend, guys. You ride the trend. Can you see how many pips you have made? This is 78 pips, rather this is 82 pips. You see, this is 82 pips. But if you wanted to enter right after this big arrow here, it's still good. You can take the signal. It's still good. You can take the signal. You can take the signal, meaning you'll enter from here and exit right at the arrow. That is 94 pips. You exit not all your positions, but you exit some and leave some, because your stop loss should be above here. This is gonna be a swing trading. But in this swing trading, you will also get to day trade. By the reason of the small arrows. That's how you will day trade or intraday trade or scalp using the small arrows. But this big arrow is telling you the direction that we are going down. Now let us look at Euro JPY. Okay, Euro JPY. Okay, can you see what I'm talking about in Euro JPY? Euro JPY has an uptrend here. Can you see? But this side, Euro JPY in H1, has a downtrend, meaning you have no signal here. The only time you will have a signal again is when a downtrend appears here, this side. You see, once you have a downtrend appearing this side, meaning another big arrow, then you consider it as a sell trade. But you don't have a signal here. Let us go to Euro NZD. You don't have a signal here. Let us go to Euro USD. You don't have a signal, because in H1 you have gotten this buy. Can you see? In H1 you have gotten this buy, but you will not take a buy until you get the same arrow appearing in H4. For now, it is still downtrend. You are late for the signals. Unless you want to scalp, then you will wait for another arrow which is telling you to go down. For now, there is no buy, there is no sell. You stay away because there is no signal here. I showed you the signals, how you see them. Let us go to H4 in US30. Can you see US30 here? There is no signal, but H1 has already given you this big signal. So what you're gonna do is you are going to wait for the big signal here, signaling a sell. Once it appears, then you take a downtrend. It is not wise to take a sell now. Wait for H4. Once H4 gives you a sell, then your signal is confirmed. For now, God bless you. Shalom.